Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to our math session. So, children, as you know, we are going to do our revision today. Let us see which lesson revision we are going to do today. We are going to do revision chapter number 1, Introduction to Geometrical Figure. Children, you know, before also we have done this lesson revision, correct? But today this revision is very important to you because this revision is made according to the exam point of view. Okay, so you have to listen very carefully, you have to answer very carefully, and after a teacher finish this revision video, you also have to again and again see this video and practice your questions. Correct? So shall we start? Okay. So today revision we are going to do of chapter number 1, Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Let us see how we are going to do. Now, take the correct option. Children, you have to just take the correct answer. Okay? In exam also, question will be given to you and options will be given to you and you have to take the correct option. Fine? Okay. What is our question? A figure that has 3 edges and 3 corners. A figure that has 3 edges and 3 corners. So what are our options? Triangle, square, rectangle. What is our question? A figure that has 3 edges and 3 corners. So which is the figure that has 3 edges and 3 corners? Is it a triangle? Is it a square? Or it is a rectangle? How many shapes, edges or corners does a triangle has? 3. Correct. So, a figure that has 3 edges and 3 corners are the triangle. Okay, a figure that has 3 edges and 3 corners. Which is that figure? It is a triangle. Because in a triangle, have you seen how many edges and how many corners? See, this is the shape of a triangle. Wait, I'll show you. See, this is the shape of a triangle. How many edges and how many corners it is having? 1, 2 and 3. So, a figure that has 3 edges and 3 corners. What is that figure? Triangle. Correct. Now the next question. A closed figure with all its 4 sides equal in length. A closed figure with all its 4 sides equal in length. Circle, B square or C triangle. A closed figure with all its 4 sides equal in length. A closed figure is there, but its 4 sides is equal in length. Now in a circle there are 4 sides, or in a square or in a triangle. What is the answer, children? Think and tell me fast. Which option we will take? Yes? Correct. Square we will take. Why? Because a circle has no edges and a triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. So, how many sides a circle has? A circle has no sides. And a triangle has 3 sides. And a square has 4 sides. That is all. 4 sides are equal in length. So, a closed figure with all its four sides equal in length is a square. Okay. I'll see the next question. The round shaped, question number 3. The round shaped figure with no corner is known as, the round shaped figure with no corner is known as circle, rectangle or triangle. Circle, rectangle or triangle. Now from these three shapes, that is circle, rectangle and triangle, which shape is round? Yes, tell me. Which shape is circle? Correct. So the round shape figure with no corner, that means circle has no edges and no corner. So the round shape figure with no corner is known as what? Circle. Correct? The round shape figure with no corner is known as circle because the circle has no edges and no corners. Next question. Name two things. Question number 4. Name two things that have a shape of a circle. Name two things that have a shape of a circle. Bangle, ring, television, compass box, handkerchief, carom board. Now children, you have to tell me two things that have a shape of a circle. What is that? Bangle or ring, bangle and ring, or television and compass box, or handkerchief or carom board? Yes, tell me children, fast. Circle. Which from these options, which are the two things that have a shape of a circle? Correct, bangle and ring. Very good, because bangle is circle in shape and ring is also circle in shape. But television and compass box? No, na? Have you seen a circular television or a handkerchief or a carom board in a circular? No. In a circular shape we have not seen. Correct. But bangle, it is in circle shape. It is a shape of a circle, and ring also, it is a shape of a circle. So the two things that have a shape of a circle are bangle and ring. Next question. A four-sided figure is known as, a four-sided figure is known as circle, quadrilateral, triangle. A four-sided figure is known as circle, quadrilateral, triangle. Now tell me children, what is the correct answer? Does the circle have four sides? A quadrilateral or a triangle? Yes? Tell me. Yes, circle has how many sides? No sides, correct. Then quadrilateral has how many sides? 4, correct. So a four-sided figure is known as a quadrilateral, correct? Next. What is the other name for sides? What is the other name for sides? What is the other name for sides, children? Edges, shapes, figures. Edges, shapes, figures. So tick the correct answer. What is the other name for sides? Edges, shapes, figures. Edges, correct. What is the other name for sides? Edges. Okay, now next. The figure in which the opposite sides are equal. The figure in which the opposite sides are equal. Teacher has taught you this now. Which is the figure in which opposite sides are equal? Circle, rectangle, triangle. The figure in which the opposite sides are equal. The options are circle, rectangle, triangle. Now children, tell me, which is the figure in which opposite sides are equal? In circle, the opposite sides are equal? No, na. Why? Because circle has no sides. In rectangle, the opposite sides are equal? Yes, correct. In rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Okay? Now, a square has dash corners. A square has dash corners. How many corners? 3, 4 or 0. A square has dash corners. 3, 4 or 0. How many corners a square has? 3? No, na? Then 4? Yes, correct. How many corners a square has? A square has 4 corners. How many corners a square has? A square has 4 corners. Correct. A dash has no edges. A dash has no edges. Circle, square, triangle. Circle, square, triangle. A dash has no edges. Circle, square, triangle. Now tell me, what answer you are going to take? A dash has no edges. Which is the shape that has no edges? Circle, square or triangle? This many times I have told you. Yes, children, tell me what is the answer? Which option you are going to take? Circle, correct. A circle has no edges. A square has edges, na? How many edges a square has? 4. Triangle, 3. Circle, no. So a circle has no edges. A quadrilateral has dash edges. A quadrilateral has dash edges. 6, 5, 4. A quadrilateral has dash edges. 6, 5, 4. How many edges a quadrilateral has? 6, 5 or 4. Which option you are going to take, children? Think. A quadrilateral has 6 edges. No. Then 5. No. Then 4. 4. Yes. A quadrilateral has 4 edges. How many edges a quadrilateral has? A quadrilateral has 4 edges. Now, the opposite sides of dash is equal in length. The opposite sides of dash is equal in length. The opposite sides of dash is equal in length. circle, rectangle or triangle? Yes? What is the correct answer? Yes, children? Which option we are going to take? Rectangle. Correct. The opposite sides of a rectangle is equal in length. Okay? Next. Now state whether true or false. Okay? You have to state whether it is true or false. A triangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. A triangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. True or false? Yes, children, tell me the answer. See, this is a triangle. Correct? Now tell me, a triangle has how many edges? 1, 2 and 3. Correct? But what is our question? A triangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. So it is true or false? False. Correct. Why? Because the triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Next. All edges of square are of equal length. All edges of square are of equal length. False, true. So which option we are going to take? All edges of a square are of equal length. All edges of a square are of equal length. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So which answer we are going to take? True. Correct. It is true. All edges of square are of equal length. Okay. A quadrilateral has no edges and no corners. A quadrilateral has no edges and no corners. Yes, children, true, false? What is the correct answer? Whether it is true or false? A quadrilateral has no edges and no corners. Which answer you are going to take? False. Correct. Because a quadrilateral is a 4-sided figure. So, it is false. Next. A circle has 2 edges and 2 corners. A circle has 2 edges and 2 corners. False or true? A circle has 2 edges and 2 corners. Which option, children, we are going to take? False. Why it is false? Because a circle has no edges and no corners. Okay. So with this, children, we finish our today's session. Okay. Keep practicing and keep learning all this revision. Okay. Till then, bye. Take care. See you soon in the next session.